friends, and welcome back to another video. I have a confession to make. I received this parcel in the mail and I was convinced that it was the BTS ARMY box from K-Poptify. Is this the BTS box? It's not the BTS box. It's my package from AliExpress. Not even from AliExpress, it's from YESSTYLE. Well then, I'm gonna record it anyway. This is a YESSTYLE order that I put through. I'll show you guys anyway. So first of all, I have this transparent coin purse. A little part with some confetti in. Okay, so here it is. It's just a very cute little coin purse. I'm not quite sure what I want to put in this, but I just thought it was really sweet because I have this bag which is transparent and has a love heart on it, and I thought it'd be really cute to get a little coin purse that can sit in there, like so. I think that's quite sweet actually. I think that's worked out quite well. Okay. Next, I have another see-through purse. This is not quite a coin purse, I'd say. I don't know, it was listed as a coin purse, but to me it seemed a little bit bigger. Let me take it out of the packaging. So here is the coin purse. Very similar material to this one that I bought. It can also go in that same handbag that I just showed you. So it says here Neon Moon, and it's very cute. Yeah, like all of the contents in my bag is going to be see-through. I actually think this one looks much better than that one. What do you think? Very cute, I like them. Okay, I only have 3 more items left in the box, and this is not a set, but I sort of bought it as a set to go with another bag that I use quite often. So if you know me in real life, you know that I use this bag so damn much. It's like my favourite bag ever. It's basically a Gameboy kind of style bag. It says Game Over, it's purple. It's a backpack, and backpacks are my favourite kinds of bags. I use this all the time. it's my regular bag. And so these following items I got to match that sort of theme. So let's do the smallest first and then end up with the largest item. I did post these on my Instagram as well a few weeks ago, and a lot of you guys seemed really excited for me to receive them. So here's the first one. This is the smallest pouch that I bought, and actually it's a lot larger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be about half the size. But basically this is supposed to look like a Tamagotchi. And on the back it has like a see-through plastic window for maybe like a pass, like a bus pass or an Oyster card, or maybe might fit in there. Maybe like a cute little photo. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So here it is out of the packaging. It's very sweet. Has a little clasp or a little ring here if you want to hang it for anything. Here's the zip. It's just one big compartment with a little pocket here on the inside. I hadn't actually figured out what I was going to use this one in particular for, because as you'll see in a minute, I bought this as a set with 2 other pouches, and I was kind of like, well, if I'm going to buy 1 or 2, I may as well just buy all 3. So yeah, here's a little window. If you have any idea what I can use this for, then please let me know. Leave me recommendations in the comment section down below. I could use it as like a mini makeup bag for like all my essentials that I put in my big bag. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That is so cute. I'm so happy. This is adorable. Look at that. It's just so cute. Next, we'll do the medium-sized pouch that I think is even better than the Tamagotchi style. So this is, as I would describe it, more of like a PSP sort of style pouch, and it's got the same character on the front as you can see. The back. Oh my gosh, these are the best things I think I've ever bought. So here is the pouch, and I was planning on using this one as my pencil case because I think it's long enough definitely need to put a pen in, maybe even a ruler. So inside again we have one main compartment and that little pocket like we did in the other one. Back is plain, and oh my gosh. But honestly, this is like the sweetest little pouch ever. I am so happy, and this will definitely be useful for when I go back to university in September. This is absolutely going to be my pencil case, and I freaking love it. Okay, last box. This is the last pouch of the set that I bought, and this is huge. I did not think this was going to be this big. So if you haven't guessed already, this is my most favourite pouch that I was looking forward to the most because it's Game Boy themed. Can you see? And I'm just going to rip it out because I was that excited. Ta-da! So here is the largest pouch. Again, it's the same character on the front. Yeah, there you go. Same character. And oh my goodness, this is honestly beautiful. I am so happy. So let's have a look on the inside. Yep, again, it's just one large compartment and a little pocket. I have no idea what to use this for. I did not expect it to be this large. This is very big. Other than the PlayStation one, the medium-sized one, other than this, I have no idea what to use these two pouches for whatsoever. I really need your guys' help. Help me figure out what to use these for. Oh my gosh, aren't these just so adorable together? Look at that. Yes, look at that. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. I mean, I am really pleased with these coin purses as well, but come on. Like, really, which would you prefer? Let me know. Which would you prefer? These coin purses, like this style, or these gaming style ones? I'm really sorry that I was very unprepared for this unboxing because I thought it was the BTS box, which is why I have my Kim Namjoon t-shirt on. I'm a little bit embarrassed. I would have probably vamped up the pinkness in this video if I knew that this was what I would be unboxing, but hey ho. I hope you look forward to the BTS K-pop ARMY BOX unboxing thing. I will get that up as soon as possible whenever it arrives, but in the meantime, please let me know what you think of what I've purchased here, or these pouches, and other than this one, let me know what you think any of these should be used for. I just got too excited and I bought them from excitement. I do that all the time with stuff. Thank you so much for watching, little bands, and I will see you in the next video. See you soon!